Three, two, one.
Hi, my name is Pragya and I wholeheartedly welcome you to my channel. Here, my intention is to grow a little gently and honestly. Today, I would like to talk about masculine energy. Men play an integral part in our lives, and when they are aligned with purpose and peace, they bring harmony at home as well. The purpose of this video is to highlight masculine energy and how it works. Masculine energy is not noise. It does not need to dominate a room to be felt. It arrives quietly, like a hand on your back when the world feels heavy. Masculine energy, in its truest form, is to protect, not control, to love, not possess, to build a family, not as a title or a trophy, but as a sacred responsibility. Masculinity was confused with aggression, with emotional absence, with the idea that distance equals strength. But real masculine energy does not abandon. It stays, it shows up, it holds space when things are inconvenient, unglamorous, and unseen. A man rooted in his masculine energy understands that loyalty is not a limitation, it is a foundation, that choosing one woman, one family, one set of values is not settling down, it is standing firm. Look at men who have chosen this path. Virat Kohli, at the peak of global fame, pressure, scrutiny, never treated family as an afterthought. He spoke openly about mental health, about stepping back when his inner world needed care. He did not hide his love for his partner. He did not treat vulnerability as weakness. He chose presence over performance, grounding over noise, and perhaps that is why, beyond records and runs, he commands respect, not because he wins, but because he knows why he plays. Mark Zuckerberg, often reduced to numbers and algorithms, has consistently framed family as central, not secondary, to his life. Taking paternity leave, speaking about parenting, redefining leadership not as endless hustle but as sustainable responsibility. In a world obsessed with speed, he chose steadiness, and that steadiness reflects in longevity, not just of wealth but of purpose. Barack Obama, arguably one of the most powerful men in the world, never detached himself from the role of a husband and a father. Even in office, he spoke of date nights, of raising daughters with intention, of Michelle as an equal force, not a background figure. His leadership was never about erasing softness, it was about integrating it, and that integration became his strength. These men did not lose power by choosing family, they expanded it because masculine energy, when aligned, understands something vital. You cannot protect the world if you cannot protect your home. You cannot lead nations if you cannot lead with integrity in private. A man who chooses loyalty does not shrink his life, he deepens it. He becomes wealthy in ways money cannot measure. Wealth in patience, wealth in consistency, wealth in values that do not collapse under pressure. This is not the masculinity that seeks validation through excess. This is the masculinity that knows its worth without applause. It is the man who understands that love is not something that weakens ambition, it anchors it. That having someone to come home to, someone who sees you beyond your titles, keeps you human when the world tempts you to become hollow. Masculine energy is not about being emotionally unavailable, it is about being emotionally reliable. In a time where relationships are treated as disposable and commitment is mocked as boring, choosing loyalty becomes revolutionary. Choosing family becomes an act of courage. Choosing one woman, one vision, one moral compass again and again becomes a daily discipline. And perhaps this is the real mantra of success, not just earning money, but earning respect from those who matter most, not just being powerful, but being present. Men who embody this are not merely wealthy in bank accounts, they are wealthy in virtues, in calm, in clarity, in conscious. They do not chase chaos to feel alive. They create stability so others can breathe. That is masculine energy. Not loud, not performative, but steady, loyal, protective, and deeply rooted in love. And maybe, just maybe, that is why they are not only successful in what they do, but fulfilled in who they are. Thank you, and I would really appreciate you giving your feedbacks. And maybe please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.